Welcome to the right-hand menu. You can automate your target audience engagement scenarios with our ready-to-use workflows. In this video, we're going to look at customizing our campaign workflow template that will help with funneling the traction from your marketing posts and converting them into leads by qualifying them for sale. Before we start, please check out our videos on mapping your Google account, mapping your Facebook page, automating your inbound lead funnel management, as well as the video on converting visitors posting negative comments into promoters of your business. The links to the videos are in the description. Let's get started. You can achieve this automation in 6 easy steps that take less than 30 minutes. First, you sign up and create your account with the right-hand menu. Then, you map your Facebook business page by logging in to Facebook and granting permissions. Next, you map your Google or G Suite account to the right-hand menu. Then, you download the workflow template for outbound campaigns to customize it and design an automated conversation flow. This is to enable the discovery of your product when visitors write an inquiry or a positive comment on this product's marketing post on your Facebook page. This improves your sale conversion 5 to 10 times. Next, you customize the campaign workflow template and design the conversation flow. Finally, you upload the template to your right-hand menu account, and your page is now ready to respond to inquiries and positive comments 24/7, all 365 days. You can also create campaigns to respond to negative comments, to convert the detractors into promoters of your business. If you don't have an account, and want to know how to set it up and go live in less than 20 minutes, check out the description for the video link. In this video, we're going to show how to customize the campaign template and create a product campaign that targets a specific marketing post on the Facebook page of your business. We now open the template and customize the steps. This campaign template sheet has been cleared of the default steps that came with the downloaded sheet. We'll now create the steps one by one. Let's put a welcome message, nudging the audience to explore the product, now that the lead has clicked the campaign link and expressed interest on the product. We set the message type to one of the multiple choices. In this example, we'll provide the audience with 2 choices. The first is to allow them to claim the coupon right away. The second choice is to let them learn more about the product. Next, we create steps that qualify the lead. We ask a few questions about their personal preferences, and also capture their personal information before revealing the coupon code. The data we are going to capture will help the sales team to send personalized messages through SMS or emails with coupons based on their product preference. Even if they do not complete the sale here, we can bring them back and convert the sale with a better recommendation later on. When it comes to capturing the personal data, we include name, mobile number, and email address. Then we create the step that reveals the discount coupon. Like we explained in the video on customizing templates for inbound lead funnel automation, we can configure the final message as an end of conversation that can also make API calls to your CRM or any other softwares you may be running to pass on the captured information of your leads. Now, it's time to assign step numbers to each step and map them correctly to the response options of each step. This is to ensure that all the steps are fired in the correct order that we want. The first step, which is the welcome message, can start from 1. But we've assigned it as 8. We assign the step number of the next dialog as 9, and also map it to the claim coupon option of step 8. We continue assigning step numbers to the subsequent dialogs in the flow, and map it to the choices of other steps, to ensure those choices, when selected, take the control to the step number that is mapped against that choice. We had assigned step number 8 to the welcome message. This is to illustrate that the campaign sheet can have the flows designed for as many product campaigns as we want. It could be multiple campaign flows for the same product with different discount coupons to identify which discount option gets you the best click-through rates. Or, it could be multiple campaigns, one for each product you want to offer, to identify which product has the most traction and the best click-through rate. Coming back to the end of conversation, we're choosing step number 16 as the final dialog. This is going to push the captured data to the destination, which can generate a personalized discount voucher, and have it messaged to the audience through an email or SMS. Check out the description for the video on setting up API calls. Now, we create steps that help the leads to learn more about the product. If they select Know More in the welcome message dialog, these steps will be fired. These steps provide an overview of the product, and also, the features and specifications. Both these steps have options that fire the lead qualification steps when they click Get Coupon by taking them to step number 9. Notice that all these branching out eventually will flow to a step that is of the type End of Conversation. Please remember to create folders in your Google Drive through the right-hand menu and move the downloaded template to the respective folder. Now, you upload the customized workflow sheet to your right-hand men account. What we need next is a click-through link that we can use to pull the leads into a conversation flow. Now, go to the Workflow tab. Select Inquiry, the keyword that handles all the workflows on your inbound lead funnel management. Click the Go to RBA Rules link below Inquiry. In the RBA Rules tab, sign in to your Google or G Suite account in Step 1. Now click Proceed to go to Step 2. In Step 3, Step 4 and Step 5, select the appropriate drive folder you may have created. In Step 2, you can download the templates you need into your Google Drive. You can work with these downloaded sheets and configure the workflow steps to match the design of your target audience engagement conversations. In Step 6, you'll see all the workflow templates that are ready to be uploaded, or are already uploaded into your right-hand men account. If not already, select the sheet and click the Sync Database button. And click the Load Workflow Steps button. This is a campaign workflow sheet that we have downloaded, customized and synced already. In Step 7, you'll see all the dialogues you've set up in the workflow sheet in your Drive folder. Select the dialogue that should be messaged to the target audience when this workflow is triggered by their action. In this scenario, the trigger is a comment on a marketing post on your Facebook page. Now, click the Load Campaigns button and go to Step 11. In Step 11, you can create campaigns for different engagement scenarios. The campaign channel is Facebook. And the workflow trigger is a comment on your Facebook page post. You may create a global campaign that targets comments on any of your posts. Just leave the Facebook post ID field blank. Or, you can target this campaign on a specific post authored by your marketing team. Click the Find Post ID button to select the Facebook page post you want to map this workflow to. You can also customize the text that will be posted as a reply to the visitor who wrote the comment. Leave the auto response to comment field blank if you do not want to customize the reply. Now, let's save the campaign and test it out. Go to the Facebook page of your business. You are going to write a comment on the marketing post you have configured the workflow for. So switch the profile from your page to yourself. The page will reload with your profile. You're now viewing the page like any other visitor. Now, go to the marketing post you've mapped and write a comment. In a few seconds, you'll see an automated response with the text you've configured in the campaign. Click the link in the auto response. These links are unique to each visitor. You'll be taken to your business page's Facebook Messenger. The lead would click Get Started and enter the campaign flow. For this demo, we've created a multimedia card that displays a video to go with the welcome message text. Like we configured the workflow steps in the template, the Claim Coupon choice fires up the steps that qualify the lead by capturing their personal preferences. And it's followed up with the capture of personal information. We've also created a multimedia card with call to action buttons for the final dialogue that reveals the coupon code. These buttons enable the lead to buy the product online, or to get the map directions of stores, after they get access to the coupon. Check out the description for a link to a video on creating multimedia cards for the workflow steps. For any queries, you can email support@4byoff.com. That's support@forbyof.com.